What do you do when two people that need to work together don't get along very well? Or more than that, they can't stand each other? I have the answer: alignment. Hello, my name is carme.salvador. I'm specialized in sustainable high-performance teams. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to find common ground when two people who are apparently against each other have to work together. For example, they are in a project together, or their departments need to collaborate. Let me tell you about a team that had a highly toxic environment. First, I did an assessment with all the members of the team. I saw that all of them had taken sides in a conflict between two people, George and Mary, who were so distant that they couldn't have a normal business conversation. I decided to talk to them directly, and after some exploration, we discovered that the starting point of that big problem was that in the past they had a little argument because Mary used to have lunch while working, and George found that unacceptable and disrespectful because of the noise and the smell of the food. Sometimes big problems can start from very little things. You see, from that moment, that unresolved issue, everything went from bad to worse. So what can you do in a situation like this? Alignment involves going from two very different positions to a shared interest. An easy example is two parents who are having an argument about the best school for their son. They are in favor of different schools, yet both of them want the best for their child. Arguing about what school is best turns out to be a never-ending fight. The key is to help them focus on their shared interest, the well-being of their son. In alignment, there are 3 steps. First step, ventilate. Give each person time in short turns to say what they have to say, without blaming each other and with respect. Here your role is like being a policeman, giving both the same time to speak and reminding them to be respectful. Second step, find common interest. Here is a helpful question. Why should we solve this? Or what's really important here? George and Mary told me that they wanted to be productive and to have a nice environment where it was easy to work. At that point, they felt that they were part of the same team. Third step, make agreements. Ask them what win-win agreements they could make to solve this problem together. Mary and George agreed that Mary would have lunch at her table, while George would be having lunch outside. Once this issue was cleared up and Mary and George could work together again, the whole team changed. So, alignment is a great tool to use when two people have to work together, yet they don't get along very well. And it works in every disagreement. If you're acting as a coach, you have an important role because you are guiding the conversation in a positive and a structured way by clearing the space and making the process smooth and easy. If the situation is really complicated, the alignment process might need an external professional who doesn't take sides. In conclusion, the tool of alignment facilitates growing from being in opposition to working together. It's a way out of resolving conflict by establishing a common ground. Now let me ask you something. What of the 3 steps is easier for you? And feel free to leave your comments below. In the description of the video, you can find information about 4-hour workshop on alignment. And if you are thinking about becoming a systems coach, you'll find a link to CRR, Center for Right Relationship. The school specializes worldwide in training team coaching. I hope to see you soon and have a nice day.